video I'm going to show you how to connect to your web server using FTP using Dreamweaver. Now, for using FTP and Dreamweaver, it's really good because you can edit your files, and then on the same screen you can then upload your file to your web server, which is very good instead of using a third-party FTP uploader. So let's just open up Dreamweaver here and just wait for this to load. Now, before I actually start anything, I'm going to go on to this web server I've just connected. I'm in the cPanel, and I am just going to look for the FTP settings. So from the home of the FTP, of the cPanel, sorry, you should see somewhere that comes down to FTP accounts. Click on that and it will tell you your FTP details, and you see down here my login. That's the login, that's the path, and if I just go to configure FTP client, I can see we've got there the username, the server, you don't really need the port, and the password would be your standard login password. Probably for this hosting service I'm using, it is a think. I've not used this one in a while, so they could have changed it, but anyway, to actually set up a new server, if you click here under files and then go down to manage sites, and you can see your sites here, click on new. I'm just going to name this site here really quick to say tutorial, and I'm just going to just create a new folder just in here. It won't let me create a new folder. If I just cancel that and just create a new folder real quick in here. Okay, and then just come down to that folder. So basically you just put in where your files are located on your computer, and then once you've done that, go to servers down the side and click on the plus button, and this will take you to your FTP settings. You don't really need to change the server name, but you can if you really want to. FTP address, just copy it over from the server, so Control C and then Control V. Username, once again copy, Control C, Control V. Password, which you should have set up, and then click on save. And the root directory is this path here. Just copy that in there and click test, and you'll get this testing up. Oops. Alright, then try the /public_HTML/, try that, test that one, and there we have a success. So the root directory is /public_HTML/, and your FTP username and password you can get from the cPanel. So we can click save on that, click save and click done, and we now have the connected to the web server successfully. So now basically what we can do is just go to remote view once it's connected, and we can see the index.html. If we just click on that, then click on the download button, no, and then view this in our local, basically this is what comes up on the web page. And basically what we can do is if we just get rid of that, actually if we just delete that from the local and from the server. Go back to local and go to new, and then if we just create in here echo connected to server using FTP successfully. Oops, successfully. That'll do. Okay, save that as index.php, and then we can then on the same screen upload that to the web server. That's uploaded, and if we just go back to the home page of that site, there we go, connected to the server using FTP successfully. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.